Fix your credit. Own your future. Top 5 Essential Tips. 1. A good credit score is crucial for financial independence and future planning. 2. Pay your bills on time to boost your credit score and financial reliability. 3. Reduce outstanding debts to improve credit utilization and overall credit health. 4. Regularly check your credit report to spot and dispute errors promptly. 5. Limit new credit inquiries to maintain a stable and healthy credit score. Take control of your financial future. Start with your credit score today.